Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Mercy. In case you're new in this channel, welcome a lot. And in case you're a returning subscriber, I don't take that for granted. Thanks a lot for clicking and welcome to this family. Guys, today I've decided to show you how I exfoliate my skin. I do this once in a week and of late, I've not been doing it because of, let me say it's laziness, but all in all, I'm back to routine. I'll be doing this every week as I used to do it, because when I used to do it, I realized that my skin was smooth, I mean flawless skin. That's the best word so far. So let me show you the products that I use as we mix them. They are just natural products you can buy from the market and the shops, so even your supermarkets you can get them. So for me, you need to have a lemon. I only have one because this one is enough. It's even more than enough. Then another thing again, I have turmeric, sugar, and squeeze the juice. I like lemon, so we're gonna squeeze the juice here. And I forgot, you also need a spoon for removing these seeds here. As you can see, I'm trying to squeeze all the juice to the container. Then another one. I'm telling you, if you do this once a week, you're gonna see a very big change, because this is what I used to do and I really loved it. Okay, initially, before I resoluted to using the natural products, which are the lemon, or at times I could use aloe vera, I used to apply Garnier scrubber. I don't know, for some people maybe it's their face, the type of skin that they have, but for me it did not work for me. I tried for quite a while. That is when I was in school, in college, but it failed me terribly. But I don't know, maybe it's the type of skin that I have. So but when I tried this, it really worked and I sticked to it for quite a while, until recently, like last year, that I stopped using it. So I'm back to it again and I'm happy to share it with you. So this is my juice. This is enough for exfoliating both the face together with the lips. I applied the lip liner on my lips and that will go. Then just half a spoon. This sugar. Then I'm gonna mix until it reaches the, we call it saturation point. That is the point at which it cannot mix anymore. scrub your skin gently. Massage. So these areas where they do face the sun daily. Make sure you scrub everywhere. The forehead. How good. Gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes. Go and wash it off. Then come back here so that you can see the results. You know, I value you guys so much. That's why I've decided that I share what I use to you guys. So, for those who are interested in learning something, I hope you're picking one or two from the start of the video. And this video, you must just watch from the beginning till the end, is when you can know all the processes and check on the results. I know when I go to someone like this, Moso kids, let me try going to those kids. I see you there. You're gonna run. Let's. And this one, even the boy has decided. Boys, you can also do this, not only ladies. I mean both boys and the man. And where again? The lips. And this boy does not have one tooth. A tooth. He has no tooth. And he doesn't want to show you guys, but what I know, you've seen it. So guys, this is me. Back to you, like I never left. So this is my face. I hope you can figure out some difference both with the face and my lips. This is gonna push me for the whole of the week. Then I again do it after 7 days, the 7th day actually. So after I'm done with my exfoliation, what I usually do, that I do use, is that baby's oil. It's a moisturizer on its own. So this is the product that I use, Johnson specifically, the scentless. So I'll apply it on my lips. Then to my face, as you can see. Oh, so smooth, guys. I love it this way. It's just moving by its